newly launched phone Vivo V27 Pro 5G is out now, and these are the specs. It is a lot more similar than the iQOO Neo 7 5G. Yeah, the specs are almost similar to it. Some of the things they have changed. So moving on to the specs, it is having 6.78 inches of screen, which is similar to 7. And after that, it is having an AMOLED display of 120 Hz of refresh rate in the phone. And after that, you are getting the Dimensity 8200 in the phone, which is same processor you're getting in iQOO Neo 7. And after that, in the phone, you are getting 50 megapixel of Sony IMX camera, and after that 8 megapixel of wide angle camera with 2 megapixel of macro camera. So these are the three cameras you're getting on the back. On the front, you are getting 50 megapixel of wide angle camera, which is again really good. In camera terms, they have improved and they are doing a lot more better than iQOO Neo 7. Camera terms, they have improved quite a lot in this Vivo V27 Pro, as I can see. Vivo is renowned for the camera purposes, but in Neo 7 there is lacking of camera. They haven't given the Sony's camera in it. Obviously, Neo 7 is having 60 more megapixel of camera, but in this Sony camera, you are getting the Sony camera, and on the front you are also getting 50 megapixel of camera, which is not Sony, but still it is quite good. And after that, in the phone you are getting 4500 mAh of battery, which is less than the iQOO Neo 7. And this part is lacking in Vivo V27 Pro 5G, because they should give 5000 mAh of battery or above. 4500 is not really a thing right now. 5000, even the phone less than 20,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, they are giving 5000 mAh of battery. So we can't accept this in the phone. So that thing is lacking in the phone. And after that, 66 watt of fast charging is present in the phone. As you can see in Neo 7, you are getting 120 watt of fast charging, which will charge your phone in 25 to 30 minutes. And this is 66 watt of fast charging, which is again lacking in the phone. As you can say, you are paying 10,000 more for this phone if you want the top variant. But if you are happy with the base variant, which is 8GB 128GB storage, you are almost getting it for the same price as iQOO Neo 7's top variant's price. So it is 34,000 rupees of iQOO Neo 7. This is of 36,000 rupees of Vivo V27 Pro. Yeah, the storage difference will be there. iQOO Neo 7 you probably be getting 256GB of storage, but in this you will be getting 128 8GB storage. But you will be getting improvement in the camera, Sony's camera obviously, and the design improvement, you will be getting that. But except for that part, it is same as the iQOO Neo 7. I can't really see a difference in it. Almost everything is same except the cameras and the design. Everything else is same. iQOO Neo 7 is having certainly a bit more of, you can say, bit more of better display in their phone. iQOO Neo 7 is having better display, but in Vivo V27 Pro you are lacking in display also. So yeah, you are paying 5000 extra and you're lacking in some of the stuff. In 40,000 rupees, not the best device to go for, because there is 8 Gen 1 also, and there is 8 Gen, obviously 8 Gen 2 is coming. So 8 plus Gen 1 also present over there. These kinds of processor is there in 40,000, and it is competing with that processor. So it is not one of the best choices to go for. Yes. So if your budget is 30,000, then iQOO Neo 7 I recommend you any day. And if your budget is 36,000 rupees, then and only then go for this variant, because this is really blooming in 36,000 rupees, and it is doing really good in that stuff, as the camera improvement is there, and it is best for gaming, hardcore usage. The processor is really good, as we have seen. So yeah, that's all about this phone, and this is my quick review of the phone. And that's it, because you are lacking in some of the stuff, and they are there in 30,000 rupees phone, and this phone is, you can say, made by Vivo. So I don't know what they are doing, because these two phones are almost identical and similar. Only one or two things are different in the phone. Nothing else has changed. So I let you choose the device. If you want to buy V27 Pro or IQ Neo 7, 36,000 is 36,000 your price. If you want to buy any phone in 36,000, then Vivo V27 Pro, obviously that's the best. But if 30,000 is your price, Neo 7, yeah, they are totally on a different path but same specification. So yeah, everything is almost same. So it's up to you which device you want to buy. Both are great. Processor is same. So I let you choose the device for your usage. So that's it for this video. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found it informative. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.